how to delete cache files in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then once you're here, the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for run. After that, just click enter and then this should pop up. So what we need to do right here on this part, on the search bar right here, is to first type temp, which is right here, and then click enter. Once you click enter, just click continue. And then as you can see right here, we now have all of the temporary files that we can delete so that, our Windows 11 will now run smoothly. So just click Control and then A. And then once you do that, just click delete right there. And then after that, this will pop up in some cases. So all you have to do is to just click this and then click skip right there. And then once you're now done, just close this and then do it once again. Type run on the search bar. And then this time, we're going to put percentage on the beginning and then end the end of the temp, which is right here. So it should look like this, which is right here. So it should look like that. And then just click enter again or click OK. And then you will see another files that you can delete right here. So just click Control A again and then click delete. And then skip, which is right there. And then once you're now done, just close this again. And then just type run again. But this time, we're going to type prefetch. So type that and then click OK again. So just click continue. And then just do the same thing that we did earlier. Select them all and then click delete again. And then click this and then click skip. Now once you do that on the recycle bin, which is right here, all you have to do is to open them. And then of course select them all again. And then click delete. So now they will be permanently deleted. So just click yes right here. And once it is done, once it's been permanently deleted, the next thing that we need to do is to type run again on the search bar. And then this time we're going to type clean mgr, which is right there. And then just click OK. Now once you type that, this will pop up. Wherein you will also see temporary internet files, Windows, and then something like that for the recycle bin and so on. So just choose which temporary files you want to delete right here. And then once you do that, let's say for example, you want to delete the thumbnails and then the temporary internet files or this one, just click OK and then click delete files. As you can see, we've now actually deleted all of the temporary files in Windows 11. So that is basically it. That is how to delete cache files in Windows 11.